Learn how to protect yourself and your partner from unwanted pregnancies and sexually transmitted infections, STIs, by using condoms correctly. In this video, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how to use condoms, from choosing the right size to putting it on and taking it off safely. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this video is perfect for anyone looking to practice safe sex. Watch until the end to know the importance of using condoms and how it can protect your sexual health. Using condoms is one of the best ways to protect yourself and your partner during sexual activity. Here's a quick guide on how to use them correctly. First, check the expiration date on the condom package. An expired condom can break easily, so it's important to use a fresh one. Next, open the package carefully. Avoid using sharp objects that could tear the condom. Gently pinch the tip of the condom to leave space for semen and roll it down over the erect penis. Make sure the condom is rolled on the right way. If it's inside out, don't flip it over. Just grab a new one. After ejaculation, hold the base of the condom while withdrawing to prevent any spillage. Then carefully remove the condom and dispose of it in the trash. Never flush it down the toilet. Remember, using condoms not only helps prevent pregnancy, but also protects against sexually transmitted infections. Always keep a few handy and communicate openly with your partner about safe sex practices. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information.